Imagine turning a single sentence of text into a fully detailed professional flowchart in just 3 seconds. Sounds like magic, right? Well, in 2026, it's completely real. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are looking at Wondershare EdrawMax, an incredibly powerful diagramming tool that's now supercharged with AI. Whether you need to map out a business process, plan a programming workflow, or just organize your thoughts, EdrawMax lets you skip the tedious manual drawing. Instead, you just describe what you want, and the AI does the heavy lifting. Let's dive into how it works and how you can use it to turn text into flowcharts today. To get started, head over to wondershare.edrawmax.com. You can use EdrawMax directly in your web browser or download the app for your desktop or mobile device. Once you're logged in, you'll meet the EdrawMax AI agent. This is where the magic happens. Instead of dragging and dropping shapes manually, you just click on the AI Copilot and type in a prompt. For example, you could type, "Create a flowchart for an e-commerce customer return process." Within seconds, the AI agent understands your request, structures the logic, and generates a clean, visually appealing flowchart. But it doesn't stop there. Once your flowchart is generated, you can use the AI to improve it. You can ask it to add new steps, change the layout, or refine the text. If you want to customize the look, EdrawMax has a massive library of free templates and supports over 210 different diagram types, ranging from simple mind maps to complex engineering schematics and floor plans. It's built for speed and precision, making it easy to share your work with your team for real-time collaboration. Now, let's talk about user feedback. In the spirit of full honesty, we don't have a large database of independent third-party user reviews to share with you today. However, looking closely at the platform, the obvious pros are the sheer speed of the AI generation, the massive template library, and the fact that you can use it on almost any device. On the flip side, because AI relies on your prompts, highly specific or incredibly complex technical diagrams might still require some manual tweaking and editing after the initial generation to get them absolutely perfect. Overall, if you hate spending hours aligning boxes and arrows, EdrawMax AI is a massive time saver that turns a tedious chore into a 5-second task. You can try it out for free right now by visiting wondershare.edrawmax.com. What are you going to build first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and we'll see you in the next one.